How to open Trading212 account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you can open your trading account. So simply open your 212 app and register an email. So registering an email is very straightforward and very simple. It's just like your typical registration page. You're going to enter email and then your password and you will be able to access our app over here. Now you would need further verification to be able to further use their app. So what I would recommend that you do is you simply, regarding of which version you have selected, open any feature that you have and you can see here that there will be an option to set up your account. Simply finish up setting up your account, verifying your identity, and add funds. That is what I would recommend that you guys do first before you do anything else to allow you to be able to utilize all of 212's feature. After that, click over here on the top. You can see 212 invest or 212 CFD. If you click on CFD, you can click it is the trading app or the trading account that they have. Simply click on start trading over here and you will be able to switch versions as you can see. So in any version that you create, whether it's the invest or CFD, you can easily swap between the two over here in their main menu after you click the three lines over here or the hamburger icon. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.